This is Busy Boy Charlie. He has moved. He started out on the mat with his head here and his feet down there. And on his own, he has scooted almost a semicircle. Yes, my 1-month-old baby is laying on the deck. There is a changing mat under him, though. I don't think I ever would have let Jack do this, but... Oh, is that a fart, buddy? Come on out, Jack. Oh, are we gonna roll again? A what? A booger?
A booger.
Let me see. Yep, that is a booger.
I pulled out.
That's a big it fell out? Of your nose? Oh, a little spit up. Boy, it is fun being me. That spit up, Jack. Oh, Charlie's hair's in it. Oh. Jack's naked because he's in and out of the pool. Oh, look, are you gonna roll? You're almost there. Charlie rolled over at 2 weeks old. And I thought it was a fluke, but he's done it multiple times since. Hi! You're so strong. He is 1 month and 1 day old. You're so strong. Hey, Jack, can you come show me the bug that we found?